Alright guys, here it is in all of its beauty. The Momentum GT aFe cold air intake for the Jeep Wrangler JL. Quick little walk around. I got the dry filter option. And then also from aFe we have here this little piece here, the shiny piece here that you see is going to be the throttle body spacer, which gives it that supercharged sound, that little whistle sound you get when you're accelerating, even though it's not supercharged obviously, but it helps out with the cold air intake. So alright, ready to shift this baby and drive, and we're ready to go. See what this sounds like. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jason with Rubi-Red. I'm actually using my dash cam to record this portion of the video because I was having a little bit of trouble trying to find a spot, especially while driving around, to mount my new camera, my nice little 4K Lumix camera. So I figured, you know what, I might as well utilize another camera that's always mounted on my Jeep dash cam, since it obviously has audio. So anyway, I hope you guys like the video with the sound of the cold air intake. Can't really hear much of the whistle coming from the throttle body spacer, and that was just because I was pushing it really hard. So yeah, I hope you guys like the sound of it. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think it's awesome. I fell in love with it the moment that I installed it and I started driving around. It's hard to not push down on the accelerator when you have that sound coming from under the hood. That deep sound that you're also hearing is the Axleback MagnaFlow exhaust that I installed, and I installed that way before I even got the cold air intake, and I just wanted that deeper sound. So basically the cold air coupled with the MagnaFlow Axleback exhaust gives it that deep sounding tone with that growl that you're getting also when you're accelerating, especially at a high rate of speed. aFe, awesome company. I highly recommend their products. I'm very satisfied with it. Sure, they're a little expensive, but hey, if you're gonna put work into your Jeep or any vehicle that you have for that matter, it's gonna cost you some money. So, but my point that I'm trying to make is that it's well worth the money. So it's an awesome investment, and I do notice some performance gains. Awesome. I definitely feel more response on the throttle. But as promised, this is the video that I told everyone on my Rubi-Red page that I'm gonna make, and this happens to be my first YouTube channel video for Rubi-Red. So yeah, just look out for other videos. I'm planning on doing quite a few. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.